Hello everyone, this is Spencer here again, and this is my application showcase, which is called GeoCode. And GeoCode is an iOS mobile app with, which displays countries all around the world and their information, such as capital, population, official name, and etc. And I did this application to further my knowledge in mobile app development and specifically working with GIS mapping, which was interesting to me. And this app makes use of an API call to an API endpoint, which is called restcountries.com, and all of the informations are gathered there. And I'll just show a quick view over here of what the app looks like. So you can go around countries. The animation here looks bad because it's the simulator. You can go around countries, and if you want to see the details, right now this image is a placeholder, and in the future I want to add another API to get pictures for a certain country. So like here you can see the details and everything, whether they're which region are they from, are they independent, or are they UN member, and their population. And you have the option to go to capital. It shows their capital over here. And this refresh button over here just goes to the pin where the country's center is. And so you can't see, I'm not sure how to do the zoom out on the simulator, but I'll show how it is on the phone. So on the phone, I'll lower down the thing. On the phone, you can zoom out and you can see all of the pins of different countries, and you can tap each pin and it will show you the information. And that's most of my app, and I learned from this application that whenever you call a fetch function to an API, you'll have to create a model that is similar to the response from the API. And the API looks like this, which contains a lot of data. And I made another model which contains all of the data I want from the API. And this is the view model for the app. It contains all of the functions from the functionality of the app and from starting from fetching it as well, which is this one. This is where I fetch the data. So I structured the architecture of this app using the MVVM architecture, which is model, view model, and views. Model, views, view model. There you go. So most of the views are similar to what you really see up here. So if you see, there's a Z stack of map layer, and you'll be able to see here the countries preview, which is this one over here, and the sheet will be the country's detail view. Whenever you click it, it will show up the sheet. And as soon as it loads, it will fetch the data of from the API. I call this function transfer data to transfer all of the data from the country model to the country over here, which contains all of the information I needed. And as a reference, I want in the future I want to be able to create another function where users can add their own pins in the in the app, and it will be able to store in a cloud database. And that's everything for my app. I hope you enjoy my app, and thank you.